In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to update your Shopify theme without losing your customizations. Updating your theme helps you get the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements while keeping your store looking the way you want. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store from the left side menu. Then, select Themes. Find your current theme and click on the three dots or Actions button next to it. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Code. Inside the code editor, open the config folder and locate the file called settings.data.json. This file contains most of your theme customization settings. Next, select all the content inside the settings data.json file and copy it carefully. This step is important because it acts as a backup of your current customization settings. Now return to the themes page and click the three dots or actions button again on your live theme, then choose duplicate. This creates a backup copy of your current store theme. After duplicating the theme, upload or install the latest version of your Shopify theme if you haven't already done so. Once the updated theme appears in your theme library, click Actions and choose Edit Code for the new theme. Again, open the config folder and find the settings data.json file. Replace its contents with the customization data you copied earlier. After pasting the data, click Save to apply your previous custom settings to the updated theme version. Now preview the updated theme carefully to make sure your layouts, colors, menus, and custom sections display correctly. If everything looks good, return to the themes page and click Publish on the updated theme to make it live. Updating your Shopify theme this way helps preserve your store's appearance while still benefiting from the latest updates and improvements. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Shopify theme without losing customization. Thanks for watching.